Hello everyone! How are you doing? Today we're going to learn a new letter. Aren't you excited? Yes! A new letter, it's letter G. Letter G makes the sound G. Let's see. G like what? G like ghost, goose, girl, grass, gloves, and grape. Now, are you ready for a challenge? I want you to look carefully at this picture. There are three capital G hiding in this picture. You have 20 seconds to find them. Ready? Go! Okay, now let's check your answers. Yes, that's the first one. You found it. And here is the second one. And here is the last one. Good job, my friends. Now you have to find the three small G in this picture. Are you ready? Go! Okay, now let's check your answers. Here is the first one. Here is the second one. And here is the third one. Amazing, my friends. Good job. Now, wait for me next time for a new letter and more games. See you later, alligators.